Okay, now it's your try. Instead of giving you tons of equations, I give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equations on the left, and then what to solve them for. So in the first equation, E equals mc squared, Einstein's famous equation. Solve it for c squared, and then do it again and solve for c. So take this one and solve for r. So why don't you do this one and this one, and we'll check the answers. Pause it. We'll come back here in just a minute. All right. If I wanted to solve this equation right here for c squared, I want to leave the c squared there. I'm going to divide by m. So I bet you got an answer of E divided by m. That's your answer for that one. That was simple. In the next one, it's a little more complex. To solve for B2, I'm going to go ahead and put the B2 down in the corner to remind me what I'm solving for. I have to, okay, it's fraction equals fraction, and so I've got to figure out, okay, cross multiply. So I get P1, V1, T2 equals, cross multiply here, P2, V2, T1. If I want V2, leave it there. So I'm going to divide by P2 and T1. There's my answer. I should have gotten P1, V1, T2 divided by P2 and T1. Not really difficult, it's just lots of letters, and you're moving it around. Let's do one more. Pause the video. Actually, we'll do two more. Why don't you do this one on your own and this one on your own. We'll come back and check those answers. So pause the video. We'll come back and do those. All right, let's see how we did. On this equation, if I have V equals 4/3 pi r cubed, well, I need to have the r by itself. So I'm going to divide by pi and divide by 4/3. Now we learned in the first video you flip it over, so that becomes 3/4 on that side, and pi is on the bottom because I divided. So that's r cubed, or r cubed equals 3v over 4 pi. To get just r, I'm going to take the cube root of that, and there's the answer. A little messy. There's the answer to that one. Cube root of 3v over 4 pi. That one's a little harder. If you get stuck on that one, you might have to run through that one again. And then the last one is right here. If I wanted to solve for for x only, I'm going to move the 5y to the other side, minus 5y to the other side. So let me just move that into the bottom, x equals. And so I'm going to get 3x equals minus 5y plus 27. This looks real similar to solving for a line. And then if I want just x, I'm going to divide by 3. So I'm going to divide it all by 3. And there's my answer. You have some empty blocks that you can try some of the others to move them around. It's just manipulating an equation so that you can change the formula around as needed. If you need help, find a teacher or a friend, practice some of them. If you're stuck on one of them, try it again. Even if you have the answer, try it again, see if you got what we got together. We'll see you in the next video.